Hi everyone, Teresa here, your mindfulness, earthing, and grounding coach and leader of the Spiritual Wellness Meetup Orange County community. I am so happy that you are here. And so I'm calling this video today, Mindfulness to Connect with Nature. And so, of course, for maximum benefits, make sure you're outside with your bare feet on the earth. And let's get started. We're going to start with our legs hip distance apart, a nice slight bend in the knees. And the first move that we're going to do is called waterways. And so you're going to rotate from your center. And as you rotate from your center, your arm just lightly floats out. And so the arms are just weightless and effortless here. And so this beautiful move is just allowing us to clear away our thoughts. Just visualize yourself clearing away everything that no longer serves your highest good. Clearing away all thoughts. We'll pick up our thoughts on the way out. And just breathe gently in and out of your nose here. And just allow yourself to arrive to this beautiful present moment. So just feel the air flowing between the palms of your hands. Feel your feet on the earth. Just allow yourself to really sink in to Mother Earth and just connect to all of nature around you. Allow yourself to tune in to the sounds of the birds. Tune in to all the elements. Allow yourself to be here now. Beautiful present moment. And then just gently let yourself unwind and slow it down. Slow it down. Take a deep breath. And now we're going to come into our posture of power today called embracing the tree. And so just like this, your arms are just circling around like you're holding a big tree. And here you can allow yourself to close your eyes. Just visualize that you have roots growing out of your feet, extending all the way down into the center of the earth, just to connect to Mother Earth. Taking your deep breaths here, deep belly breaths. Expressing so much gratitude for Mother Earth, honoring the energies of the earth. And just imagine yourself filling up with the beautiful, loving life force energy from Mother Earth. See if you can sense Mother Earth's loving light energy just encircling every cell in your body. And see if you can become aware of this space between your arms and hands. If you can sense Mother Earth's beautiful, loving light energy. And now visualize the top of your head has branches growing out of your head, plugging into Father, Son. And just imagine that you're just plugging into that loving life force energy from Father, Son. And just visualize the sun's loving light energy flowing down, pouring into your head, flowing down your entire body, through every cell in your entire body, filling up with light, filling up with the beautiful, universal, loving life force energy. Visualize yourself becoming lighter and brighter. Beautiful. And now we'll bring our arms down and we're going to go into our final move, dancing with the trees. So take a wide stance. So one leg in front, one leg behind, a nice bend in the knees. Make sure your knees feel good. And I'll show you this move slowly. On the exhale, you lunge forward and you breathe your beautiful energy into the tree. And then you inhale the tree's beautiful energy through your body. So, of course, this is best if you can stand near a tree and work with the tree. So, again, slowly you're exhaling, sending your beautiful energy into the earth, up the roots of the tree, up the tree. And then you're inhaling the tree's beautiful energy into your body. And so now what you're going to do is synchronize your breath to this move. And we'll go here in silence. So you're going to exhale and inhale. And you can either exhale in and out of your nose if that feels good. Or if you need to exhale through the mouth here, go ahead. Whatever feels good for your body. Just honor your body. Or try both. Try to exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. And then maybe try to exhale through the mouth and through the nose and see what feels better. So we are connected to all of life. There is no separation between us and our Creator, the trees, the earth. We are all connected. So this beautiful move, dancing with the tree, allows us to really connect and just breathe in that beautiful energy of the tree. And your arms should be very light and weightless. No tension in the arms. Just finding your beautiful flow here, connecting with the tree. One more time. And then just bring your back leg forward. And now this is lower, embracing the tree. So just pause here for a few moments. Take some deep breaths. One more big deep breath. Beautiful. And now switch legs. Bring the other leg back. Again, a nice wide stance, nice bend in the knees. And here we go. We exhale, breathing in to the earth, up the roots of the tree, up the tree. And then we inhale and take that tree's energy down through our body. Here we go. Synchronize your breath to this move. It's a beautiful earthing and grounding move. Also helps you strengthen your legs, and it helps us pump that beautiful earth energy through our body. Again, just feeling our connection to Mother Earth, Father Sun, the trees, all of nature. One more time. And then bring the back foot forward. Again, our final pose, lower, embracing the tree. Again, allow yourself to close your eyes here. Just take some deep breaths. Just allow yourself to integrate all that beautiful, loving life force energy through your mind, body, soul, aura, energy field, and every cell in our entire body. And then bring your legs together, feet together. Place both hands on the lower belly. Take 3 more big, deep breaths here. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes and we'll do our Qi Gong bow. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you'd like this flow today, leave a tree emoji or the barefoot emoji. Just let me know that you enjoyed this beautiful mindfulness practice to connect to nature. So leave your tree emoji, bare feet emoji, earth emoji, whatever it is to show your appreciation and connection. And also, if you'd like to work with me further, I offer individual, group, and team building sessions. You can check out my website or booking link below. And of course, I also offer group sessions in nature each month, maybe 3 to 4 sessions each month in nature on the Spiritual Wellness Meetup Orange County community. You can check out that link below. So look forward to seeing you in nature again soon. Thank you so much.